Hey traders, hope you're all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and I'm also going to go through US cocoa today, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And sorry for my voice, I still have a bad sore throat. I'm still trying to recover, but if I sound a bit low, then that is just because of that. So starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? So as you can see, price is now inside a level of support right here. As you can see, I just hit the level of support on all three platforms. So mark these zones. As you can see, the numbers here in green. Now, these are the areas I'm looking at and paying attention on all three platforms for my possible trades. So as now we are in the zone, all I'm looking at a valid condition. That is all I'm looking at. Valid condition will be bullish engulfing pattern within this zone. Now, a valid bullish engulfer is something like this must engulf the previous candle, including the whole body. And if you see here, this is not a valid bullish engulfing candle as the candle opens above the previous candle. So must fully engulf the previous candle with the whole body, something like this. So that is what I'm looking at in this area. Now, if this candle turns to be a bullish engulfer, let's say if that turns to be a bullish engulfer, engulfs the previous candle, then in that case we'll have a valid buy signal. So that is the first condition I'll be looking at. The second condition for the less aggressive traders, it could be a double bottom here, or it could be a double bottom here in this area. So that is what I'll be looking at. So very simple and very clear. If you get a condition in this zone, I'm going to go long. If there is no condition and price just give a normal pullback below 50 EMA, forms a bearish engulfer, in that case I'm going to go short, exactly something like this. If we have that below 50 EMA, I'm still going to go short. We are bearish, we are still below 50 EMA. We are now in a good level, not a major zone, but a good level from where the price has previously bounced up and pushed lower. That is why if we get a condition here, I'll be looking to buy from here and looking at a good example of an entry condition. It is right here. Previously we get this bullish engulfer kind of double bottom as well. So that is what I'll be looking at in this zone. If I see a condition like this, in that case I will enter buy trade. If there is no condition, price just goes down, pull back, bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short. So that is what we need to look at. Condition for bullish, we're going to buy. Condition for bearish, we're going to sell. That is what we need to look at. And the targets, you can go 1 ATR initially and then you can manage it till 2 ATR. That is totally up to you. If you want to get a better reward to risk ratio, then you can set your stop loss as 1 ATR. Take profit, you can do 2 ATR. So that is what I'll be looking at here on Natgas. Now here on NEMEX, we are still inside the zone. The double bottom has now become invalid because the price opened below in gap, and as you can see, we are now close below this previous low. So now we can remove this rejection box and just look for the valid bullish engulfer. Let's say if this candle turns to be a bullish engulfer, in that case we'll have a valid bullish engulfing pattern, or we have a double bottom pattern in the zone, we'll have a valid condition for buy. If there is no condition, exactly same, wait for the price to form bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short, something like this. So that is what I'll be looking at. Have these zones ready on the charts, and once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Here on Owanda, so zone below is quite far, but if the price get to this level, as a trade on Owanda, I'll be looking for my entries here on this platform. Whatever platform you trade, look for your entries on your own platform, but condition must be valid. So 1.965, that goes to 2.057, as you have already seen the screenshot. So that is what I'll be looking at here on this platform. Just a pullback below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer and go to short and keep on taking shots till we are in the zone below, from where we're going to look for the conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. So keep an eye, these are the conditions I'll be looking at for my valid trades. Next up we have gold. Now gold has now formed first top, a pullback, and now in a process of forming a second top. All I want to see a red candle, or for a good entry, bearish engulfing candle, or for the better entry, I want to see a 382 candle or a pin bar in this area. Once we have that, that is a valid entry. If let's say if you have a pin bar, you can keep a stop loss above the wick. Take profit can be 1-to-1 initially, then you can manage it till 1.4-to-1 reward to risk ratio. And looking at the ratio, gold and silver, we are bullish here. So if the price pushes up here, we have a likely chance that it will push the gold down from here, and it will take the silver with that as well. So looking at silver, we are still ranging sideways within this little range, as you can see. So we have no direction at this point. This is not a valid bullish engulfer. If that turns to be a bullish engulfer, it is not one of my valid entry condition, and it invalidates one of my entry rules. As my MMTA core students know what rule is not met here. So at this point, wait and see. For silver, I want to see a break above this high for confirmation the price is going to hit the level above, which is 32.00, that goes to 32.51. Now if we broke below, Then we are looking at this level below, which is 29.72. That goes down to 28.75, from where we're going to look for a possible pullbacks. So wait and see for silver. I'm just waiting. We have no condition, but we do have a condition of double top on gold. If we have a valid double top, in that case we have a valid double top pattern with a bearish engulfer of 382 candle. This is a very aggressive double top. In that case, stop loss is above take profit 1-to-1, but I will be looking at less aggressive way to enter, that with the condition I've just mentioned. Here on crude oil, it's now pushing lower, has broken below and formed a minor head and shoulder pattern. So I'm still expecting a price to push lower and hit this level below, which is 78.83. That goes up to 80.64, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with a condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. So keep an eye. It is an area from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades. For now, all I'm looking at a break below this low with a pullback and bearish engulfing pattern. Keep on taking shots till we get a valid condition in this zone to take our buy trades. Remember, trading is all about conditions. Without conditions, we are just gambling. That is why I keep on mentioning the condition, and it is also about taking your profits. If you are going more than 1-to-1, means you are a profitable trader. But for the beginners, I recommend 1-to-1, so that even if you come out as a break-even trader, you are still not making a loss. So make sure, pull the money out of the market. Don't hang on with the trades. Once you take your profits, look for the next entry confirmation. Last one, we have US cocoa. US cocoa is now above 20 EMA, but not above 50 EMA. We do have this bullish 382 candle right here. Looking at that, I'm expecting a price to push higher from here. I have not tested US cocoa much. I've just recently started doing analysis on US cocoa. I'm not sure how this will react, but that is a valid bullish 382 candle, and that will likely push the price higher from here. So looking at that, I'm expecting a price to head higher. Otherwise, let's say if this fails, price falls, in that case we'll have a valid double bottom within this rejection box right here. So for the pullback entry, let's say if this played out, that's a very aggressive entry, then we have a push up above this high, then we can start to look for the bullish engulfing pullback entries. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.